Hi, I'm back. So, semalam I dah upload satu unboxing dekat my YouTube and I hope you guys enjoy it even though yang tak seberapa. So, today also, I think this week is gonna be a bunch of unboxing video yang I dah beli, dah shop tapi I simpan or I dah shoot earlier tapi I tak upload. I ingat nak edit but I think like I said yesterday, been really busy, don't know for what. I think like jenis MCO and hari ni I naik like 1 kilo. Oh my god. Ya, I kena jaga badan I kan. Sebab nanti dah beli new wardrobe sekali badan naik balik and barang-barang lama dah donate ke apa ke dah jual. So anyway, let's do unboxing. This is Uniqlo. Can you see? Swear to God, I need to figure out like the best. Okay, so you can see that. So I pergi kat Uniqlo dekat Bandar Kuching. They have 2 branches, if I'm not mistaken, 3. Satu dekat Aeon, satu lagi dekat Spring. Is it Spring? Merdeka Palace, Merdeka Plaza. Another one is at Vivacity. So this picture. Okay, let me tell you why I got so excited about Uniqlo and the MCO and my experience during shopping during RMCO. So recovery, movement control order. In other words, like post quarantine, semi quarantine, whatever you call it. Okay, so like I said, I lost a bunch of weight. So a lot of my clothes, especially working clothes, sekarang kita dah masuk under the new norm, kita masuk office kan. So yes, we have to follow all the SOP, the temperature, the social distancing, the rotation and all that. And so kita dah start masuk office. And all my office outfit and to be honest, it was like size 22, yang fit to size 18. 18 tu macam like this is UK size. So the only time last time yang I boleh shop yang ada plus size ataupun size gemuk, sorry to say that, but like plus size ataupun size besar sikit is Dorothy Perkins dengan Miss Red. Ni dua je yang I muat. And yang I muat pun is like the besar-besar lah. Like besar. So nampak macam, so when I wear back macam auntie lah. So so when I susut at all over the place. I think in my last night's video yang about my underwear punya journey on shopping during the post MCO and with no fitting and no refund too. There was a quite I think it's quite open book sharing knowledge. Open book sharing knowledge apa aku Melayu ni? open sharing on my part, because yang the upper body makin kecil, the middle part now start makan luar kan. Okay, enough about that. So last time I tak pernah masuk Uniqlo. You know why? Size yang paling besar pun tidak ada. They do have like jeans yang my size right now, which is a 34 inch. Tapi itu pun you kena beli dekat Uniqlo online. But the one that at the store yang paling besar pun 28. Still sedih lah. But for this time, baju and seluar stretchable, I can actually finally fit. So I pergi Uniqlo and this like my second time. Sebab perasan kurus sangat. So kononnya ambil size L, and like I said, no fitting, and nasib baik Uniqlo is like a brand yang boleh accept refund. So refund pula, exchange. So kononnya size L tu muat lah. Perasan lah, baru 15 kilo dah kecoh kan. So okay, let's share. And I'm on a budget, so I tak adalah beli yang that is not on sale, so I beli yang ni. So can you see? I'm using Huawei's camera to shoot this. Okay, swear to God, so basically I'm just gonna read it for you, okay? Yang ni ialah women white rib square neck bra sleeveless top. value buy $39.90. So it was on value buy RM40 je, and I like the quality. And what I like about this for someone's budget yang tiba-tiba kena buat new wardrobe is dia 2-in-1. Dia ada bra. Remember when I said like my bra, my upper body mengecil. So if like I want to buy a proper bra, it's gonna cost me like RM90 or $150 or 100 depending on what brand lah. Like Triumph kan 150 ke atas per thing. So this one is like 2-in-1. A friend recommended this to me. It's like, hey, why don't you try this and then you tak payah beli bra. So but the quality is really good. See? And the best part is boleh masuk mesin. Tak payah basuh pakai tangan. Muka aku memang pemalas kan. Oh gosh, I look like horrible, so tired. Dah pukul berapa ni? Malam. So yes, tak payah masuk mesin. And the padding is quite good. Kain dia semua stretchable and tebal. So you can actually wear it casual, and you can tapi you pakai coat pun you can wear for office. Pakai pergi office, you just pakai coat. So I bought this one beige. Okay, this is Diana style. Bila dia suka, dia tak, I don't window shop guys. Seriously. I hate window shop. I really do. Tapi bila I know what I like, I'll just buy sama jenis tapi different colour. So this is one of the example. So but okay, can you see this? So it's on sale again. Okay, I'm that on budget. Seriously, I don't shop. Melainkan aku dah jadi YouTuber yang glamour tu boleh lah. But still value buy $29.90. That is $39.90. Yeah. Mana kamera kau? $39.90. Okay. So this is XL. Nanti I buat product review, but I already wore yang warna hitam, so you don't see warna hitam. So I bought a bunch of same style sebab dia on sale. Same style, but different colour. Yang ni pula. Okay. Yang ni XL. So this is a different style. Tadi sleeveless kan. So yang ni, it is called Woman Rib Boat Neck French Sleeve Bra T-shirt. It's called bra T-shirt. So again, I save money by not buying bra. Nampak tak ni? Kan? Cool kan? So, maybe I pakai ni lepas cuci. Cantik tak? Tapi nampak macam besar sikit kan? Tapi I think it will shrink. Sebab ni. Tapi material dia, quite good quality lah. I think that's why a few of my friends pakai Uniqlo. And thank you for recommending this to me, Ricky. Yeah. Shout out to Angeline. Thanks. Okay. So that one with the sleeve. My style lah memang like, if I like, I just buy the same thing different color. I am so tertarik remote. Lusa 7 bulan 7 Shopee that is on sale, and Lazada, sidetrack a bit. I suka sidetrack kan on my videos. And then Lazada is like mid-year sale. Went to check out the Boya wireless mic. It's still gonna cost me a few hundred. I was like, forget it, I'm just gonna get a wire and continue. Walaupun like spider web. Okay, my style is XL. Belum lagi. I still need to go down to L. Today is 65.5 kilo. Yeah. So whatever I like, I would just beli different color. Aku punya malas nak shopping. Which is like the same style lah. Kalau pergi last time masa plus size kan, pergi Dorothy Perkin pun macam tu. Satu kedai je. Like I don't like to go shop and like different macam mana cakap, shop hopping, unless it's like Paksen lah, then but itu pun within the Paksen, then you can see different brands. But usually macam I don't like window shopping lah, ataupun jump one place to another. I'm quite determined to know what I want, and I can beli macam ni, different colour. To sidetrack a bit. This one on sale. XL again. Tapi beza dia, ini dipanggil, let me check it out. 12 pink shells, woman pointail low back lace bra sleeveless top. Lacy, dia sama, still ada bra, terbalik, sorry. Still ada bra, tapi dia ada lace. I hope you tahan it in the washing machine, because hell no, I'm not gonna wash you with my hand wash. Yep, that's all. Rasa macam sikit je tukar. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, alamak. Actually kan, I don't want to edit. Can you all wait Ada lagi 2 seluar. Kejap. Hai. Sorry for the few second break, sebab tadi I gatal nak try seluar. So this seluar, what the hell is my receipt? Excuse my language. This seluar is $59.90. Namanya leggings pants, women's leggings pants. Dengan women's leggings pants dengan women's, basically this. So seluar ni dia macam corduroy, tapi it's not exactly corduroy. Can you see? Oh, ni pun I exchange tadi. Seriously, I need to step back. Ni pun, this is a much better angle. I'm new to this, so please support me, guys. Okay. So ni seluar dia. It just fit just nice. Nampak besar sebab dah lama tak buat squat, so bahagian ni kena besar sikit. But it is stretchable. Okay, cerita dia macam ni. Again, seluar apa perasan lah, L. Lepas tu sekali XL. Nasib baik muat XL, kalau tak malu je. So yes, I bought beige colour, and another one is dark green. Something that I don't have, sebab seluar warna hitam dengan seluar warna dark green, seluar warna hitam biru ada banyak. So I'm gonna wear this when after washing, and then I am gonna post it to you guys for follow up. Yes. So if you guys like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's unboxing for today. Also, I tend to upload right now today unboxing of Huawei Nova SE7. Benda ni dah shoot masa baru keluar like in the market, like for kucing lah, like less than a week. Tapi itulah dia. I thought I want to do a proper with the video editing using KineMaster tu semua. Tapi tak sempat. Seriously, I'm so sorry of the quality of all the unboxing and product review this week. Tapi unless it's sponsored kan, then I'll do it properly. So all these videos are not sponsored, and all the opinions are on my own. Okay, so you have a good night. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.